Welcome. If you're looking to remove your phone number from LinkedIn using your PC and want the latest steps after the new update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process, step by step, so you can keep your LinkedIn profile just the way you want it. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or the word Me. Click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control everything about your LinkedIn profile. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Click on Account Preferences. Under this section, look for the option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Name, Location, and Industry section, scroll down until you find Edit Contact Info. Click on this to view and edit your contact details. Here, you'll see your phone number listed. To remove it, simply click the Remove or Trash Bin icon next to your phone number. LinkedIn will likely ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure you really want to delete your number. Follow the prompts to confirm. And that's it. Your phone number has now been removed from your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to keep your contact information private and make sure only the details you want to share are visible on your account. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date LinkedIn tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.